Grand Central Art Center hosts an opening of a new exhibit on the first Saturday of every month. The gallery schedules openings around Art Walk, a monthly event in downtown Santa Ana. This month, Grand Central celebrated the opening of the show Mirror Image. The exhibit featured art that was created through the printing process. This technique takes materials like wood and metal and transforms them into works of art.
Printmaking, one of the oldest forms of artwork, is enjoying newfound interest here at Grand Central thanks to the print shop, which allows artists to take raw materials and turn them into artistic masterpieces.
These are prints that the artist actually touches, they're originals.
The exhibit featured artists from the Grand Central Press Workshop, Grand Central Artists in Residence, and the printmaking faculty at CSUF. Just outside Grand Central, Art Walk was bringing downtown Santa Ana to life. All the galleries in the area stay open until 10 p.m. This festivity brings out crowds of people who want to observe art, dine, or hang out with friends. Regulars of Art Walk were at Grand Central to check out the new show, while some were new to the whole experience.
I knew that it was kind of like they would have galleries every first Saturday of the month, and just kind of, I've been kind of consistently coming for the last couple years.
So I see these places closed a lot, so I asked my friends when we can come shop, and they told us about the Art Walk the first Saturday of every month, and so this is the first time I've been here.
Grand Central will celebrate its May opening as usual on the first Saturday of the month. Art Walk starts at 7 p.m. The current show, Mirror Image, will be featured at the gallery until April 30th. For the Daily Titan, I'm Susanna Blakey.